Anthropic just rolled out updates to Claude that completely change what one person can deliver to clients. Claude Sonnet 5 just launched. New plugins turn Claude into an automation engine, and interactive apps now let Claude actually execute tasks inside the tools you already use. After watching this, you will understand exactly how to leverage these upgrades to compete with agencies that have entire teams while you are working solo. Hey, it's Paul James. And if you have been watching my content, you know I talk about turning free AI tools into services businesses actually pay for. These Claude updates are massive because they give solo operators the kind of leverage I wish I had when I was starting out. This is about using AI to deliver what used to require 5 people on payroll. And stick around because I am going to show you a workflow that lets you compete directly with content agencies charging premium rates. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem most freelancers and consultants face right now. You land a client who needs a full marketing campaign built. They want strategy, content calendars, channel plans, brand messaging, competitive analysis. The old way meant either spending 2 weeks doing this yourself or outsourcing it and killing your margins. You cannot scale your service delivery without hiring people or burning out completely. What Anthropic released solves this through what I call the Service Multiplier Method. This framework stacks 3 layers of automation that let you deliver agency-level work as a solo operator. Layer 1 is smarter processing through Claude Sonnet 5. Layer 2 is specialized automation through plugins. Layer 3 is direct tool integration through interactive apps. When you combine all 3 layers, you multiply what one person can actually deliver to clients. And I am going to show you 3 specific service models you can build with this before this video ends. Let me break down exactly how this works, starting with Claude Sonnet 5. This new model just dropped. The technical upgrade here matters because it runs 50% cheaper than the previous top model while processing faster. You get a 1 million token context window, which means Claude can handle way more information in a single conversation than before. But here is where things get wild. Claude Sonnet 5 can now run multiple processes at the same time to complete tasks faster. Think of it like having several assistants working on different parts of a project simultaneously. There's also a new capability called Dev Team Mode. You give Claude a brief for a feature you want built. The system then works autonomously to create it without you micromanaging every step. Keep watching because the second layer makes this even more powerful. Most people never realize this part. The real power is how these improvements stack with the other 2 layers. Anthropic also launched interactive apps that let Claude directly connect with platforms you already use. We are talking Slack, Canva, Figma, Gamma for presentations, and dozens more. You access these by going to claude.ai/directory. From there, you can connect any tool and Claude can pull information from them or push actions to them. Here is how this changes your service delivery. Before these updates, you would manually check Slack for client messages, then switch to Canva to create graphics, then move to your scheduling tool. Now you connect Slack and Canva through Claude's interactive apps. Everything happens in one workflow instead of jumping between 5 different tabs. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. The third layer of the Service Multiplier Method is plugins. These are specialized automation modules you install into Claude's co-work mode. Anthropic built plugins for marketing, legal work, customer support, and more. What makes this different from regular AI assistants is that plugins are designed for end-to-end automation, not just generating text. And in just a minute, I am going to walk you through a real workflow that positions you against agencies that charge thousands per client. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. You see all these capabilities and wonder how they actually translate to money. Let me show you exactly how this creates income opportunities. If you drop a like and comment below, I will reply with that link to the free training on turning tools like this into real income. Here is where the money angles become clear. You can now offer services that stack all 3 layers to deliver what used to require entire teams. The beauty of this setup is you are not selling implementation. You are selling delivery. Clients care that they got a professional result faster and cheaper than hiring an agency. You become the efficient option for businesses that need expert-level work but cannot afford traditional agency retainers. You are not replacing your expertise. You are multiplying your capacity to deliver that expertise. A solo consultant using these 3 layers can output what used to require a team of 5 people. Your margins explode because your time investment drops while your deliverable quality stays high. Now, let me show you that exact workflow I mentioned earlier. Imagine you offer content repurposing services to coaches and consultants. Your client records a 60-minute podcast episode every week. They need that one episode turned into 10 pieces of content: blog post, email sequence, social posts, video clips with captions, and a lead magnet. Traditionally, this requires a content team: writer for the blog, email copywriter, social media manager, video editor, graphic designer. Here is how the Service Multiplier Method handles this entire workflow solo. First, you connect Claude to their Google Drive through interactive apps where they upload the podcast transcript. Second, you activate the content creation and document processing skills. Third, Claude Sonnet 5's expanded context window holds the entire transcript, plus their brand voice guidelines and audience insights all in one conversation. You upload the transcript. Claude analyzes the core topics, identifies the most valuable insights, then generates the blog post structure. But here is the twist almost nobody talks about. You can stack these actions across tools. While Claude writes the blog post, you have it simultaneously pull quotes for social media, identify 3 key teaching points for the email sequence, and outline the lead magnet based on the deepest value in the episode. Total time invested by you is 45 minutes. Traditional content agencies charge $1,200 per episode for this service. Your competitive rate could be $400 per episode. This pricing model makes you attractive to coaches who need consistent content but cannot justify agency rates. But that is just one angle. Here is a second service model most people are completely missing. You can now offer complete proposal automation. Sales consultants and agency owners spend hours every week writing custom proposals. Each one needs research on the prospect, competitive analysis, customized service packages, pricing tiers, case studies, and terms. Connect Claude to your CRM through interactive apps. Load the proposal template and past successful examples. When a new prospect comes in, Claude pulls their company details, researches their industry, identifies their likely pain points, then generates a fully customized proposal. What used to take 3 hours per proposal now takes 12 minutes. You can respond to prospects same day, while competitors take a week. Speed becomes your competitive advantage. And here is the third service opportunity that creates recurring client relationships. Offer ongoing competitive intelligence as a service. Marketing directors and business owners need to track what competitors are doing, but do not have time to manually monitor everything. Set up interactive apps to connect Claude with their specific industry news sources and competitor websites. Create a custom skill that defines exactly what competitive signals matter for their business. Every week, Claude automatically scans for updates, analyzes changes in competitor messaging, identifies new product launches, tracks pricing shifts, then generates an executive summary report. This positions you for monthly retainer agreements instead of one-time project fees. Now, Anthropic also fixed a major limitation that used to kill long projects. Claude would hit a message limit and force you to start a new conversation, losing all context. That is gone now. The system automatically compacts old conversation parts to free up space. You can run indefinitely long projects without restarting. Before I show you the settings you need enabled, understand this. Every tool I just showed you is available right now for free or through Claude's standard plans. You are not waiting on some beta access. This is accessible leverage available today. You need certain settings turned on to maximize what Claude can do. Make sure artifacts are enabled. Turn on AI-powered artifacts under code execution and file creation. Enable memory generation so Claude remembers your preferences across conversations. Check that all the skills you want to use are activated. If you need a specific skill that does not exist yet, you can create your own or have Claude build it for you. Picture how much easier service delivery becomes once this becomes your normal. You wake up, check client requests through Slack integration, activate the relevant plugin, and deliver completed work before lunch. No team to manage, no overhead costs eating your profit. Just you and a stack of automation that multiplies your output. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. That local business owner who needs marketing but cannot afford an agency becomes your client. That startup founder drowning in proposals gets handled in hours instead of weeks. The consultant who needs competitive intelligence but lacks research bandwidth signs a retainer agreement. You position yourself as the efficient alternative to traditional service providers while maintaining quality that justifies professional pricing. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.